AssetWhere makes it really easy to create quotes. So let's have a look. I've come into AssetWhere Quote Manager, selecting Create New Quote, which I can have as a scheduled request or an ad hoc. So I can set the date that I'm sending this out. It's in the Adams building. It's coming to me from me as the main administrator. It's air conditioning and refrigeration, and I want them to check the filters. I can add any attachments that I need to, any general comments or manager comments. I can set the budget limit. I'm going to set that at $300, and I can get approvals if I need to. So I can send it to my manager, get a second approval if needed. I'm going to select no for approvals. Now I've got the key details of this individual quote. Now I can add the contractors that I want this sent to. So Matt's contracting here, Matt Apers, and Phil's plumbing can go to David Bruce there. And then I can set up these email templates asking them to send in a quote. And I can send in the reminder, so it's been set here at 1 day. So I've got a day to respond. And then I can send a copy of this email to key people in the system. And at this point, I'm not going to select anyone. So once I've done that, all I have to do is send quote. That's now been sent out to those two contractors, and we're awaiting a response. When I come back to the run sheet, here it is at the top here, showing it's been sent out to two contractors and the status awaiting responses. It's that simple and easy to create a quote within the AssetWhere system.